Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily pair the Bluetooth remote with your Sharp 50 TV. So let's go over to all settings. Now scroll down until you guys see remotes and accessories. Here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled and click on pair accessory. Now get your remote and here try and connect to the TV. And now, as you guys can see, let me do that again. We need to go over to the settings. Now let's pair an accessory. And now it's pairing. So all we gotta do now is wait for it to connect, and now it says paired. So this is how you guys can easily connect accessories. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.